Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 150 out of 150 questions. This question asks, a box contains 6 plums, 2 pineapples, 9 bananas, and 3 oranges. If a king closes his eyes and chooses a fruit at random, what is the probability that he will choose either a pineapple or an orange? The choices are A, 1 over 10, B, 1 over 4, C, 3 over 20, or D, 5. Again, the question and choices are: a box contains 6 plums, 2 pineapples, 9 bananas, and 3 oranges. If Akeem closes his eyes and chooses a fruit at random, what is the probability that he will choose either a pineapple or an orange? The choices are A, 1/10, B, quarter, C, 3/20, D, 5. Do you know about probability? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up. Then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. A box contains 6 plums, 2 pineapples, 9 bananas, and 3 oranges. If Akeem closes his eyes and chooses a fruit at random, what is the probability that he will choose either a pineapple or an orange? The choices are A, 1/10, B, a quarter, C, 3 over 20, D, 5. Now to read my answer. Pineapples, 2, bananas, 9, oranges, 3, plums, 6, total 20. Pineapples and oranges, 2 plus 3 equal 5. Probability 5 over 20, or 1/4, or a quarter. Answer B, a quarter. Now to explain my answer. Okay, this is probability. In probability, first you have to find out what's the total amount of objects that the person will be choosing from. So first you have to find what is the total amount of objects that the person will be choosing from. What is the denominator? You're going to find out what is the denominator. Okay, so now we have pineapples, 2 pineapples, 9 bananas, that makes 11, 3 oranges makes 14, and 6 plums makes 20. So that's 20 in all, 20 total. A total of 20 fruits are in the box. A total of 20 fruits are in the box. Now you like to choose, a king is supposed to choose, you like to know what is the probability that a king will choose a pineapple or an orange. You want to know what is the probability that a king will choose either a pineapple or an orange. So find out what's the total of both the orange and the pineapple. What's the total of both what is the total of both the pineapple and the orange? 2 pineapples and oranges, 3 oranges. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So therefore, the probability that a king will choose either a pineapple or an orange is 5 over 20. The probability that a king will choose either a pineapple or an orange is 5 over 20. 5 for the total amount of orange and pineapple, and 20 for the total amount of fruits in the box. Again, 5 for the total amount of pineapple and orange, and 20 for the total amount of fruits in the box. So that's 5 over 20, 5 over 20. But wait, you're not finished as yet. You'll have to reduce 5 over 20 to its lowest terms. When you're doing any fraction at all, whatever the topic is, as long as it's a fraction, you have to reduce that fraction to its lowest term before you can say that's a true answer. You'll have to reduce that fraction to its lowest term before you can choose before you can say that is the answer. So let's let's reduce 5 over 20. Let's reduce 5 over 20. You can see that 5 can go into 20 without leaving a remainder. So 5 is a common factor of 5 and 20. You can see that 5 can go into 20 without leaving a remainder. So 5 is a factor of 20. You can see that 5 can go into 20 without leaving a remainder. So 5 is a factor of 20. So let's reduce. 5 into 5 goes 1 time. 5 to 20, 4 times. Because 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So therefore 5 into 20 goes 4 times. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. Again, 5 to 5 1 time. 5 to 20 4 times. That makes it a quarter. That makes it a quarter. That makes it a quarter. So that's a quarter. So answer B, a quarter. Answer B, a quarter. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer. Well, great job. Congrats. We have come to the end of the maths videos. We have come to the end of the maths summaries. And did we understand all? Did you understand all the videos? Well, I trust that you did. I also trust that you improved in your grade at school, right? You improved at school, whether you're going to a primary or a prep school, or if you're doing the art aptitude test, or maybe if you're a little older and you didn't learn what I went over before, it helped you. I trust that it helped you and you have improved in your grades at school. Okay, all right. You can watch all these videos. All these videos I have. This is math video, math summary. I also have, along with that, 4 more subjects that both PEP and GSAT do. That's communication tasks, letter and essay writing or story writing. I have that communication tasks videos. I have language arts videos. I have social studies videos, and I have science videos. You can watch all of them. Each of the videos I just mentioned take about between 2 and 3 hours to go over. And the math videos, they will take a little longer. You can do about 2 hours each day of it, and then maybe you'll finish in about 2 months. So the maths take a little longer, but it will help you to improve. Maths cannot be done very quickly, you know. It requires a lot of patience to do maths, and you have to be focused to do the maths. You cannot rush and do maths. You have to just take your time and do it. So we have all those videos, the maths, language arts, communication tasks, science and social studies. So you are invited to watch all the videos. If you want, you can also have classes with us if you choose to have classes also. Or instead, anyone, if you want to have classes instead of watch the videos, or if you want to do both of them, watch the videos and have classes, or if you want to just have class alone, you can choose. For each class, it's about you can have telephone classes as well as class in person, face to face, private tutoring, 1 student per teacher. Alright, the telephone class starts from $2,000 up. You can do half an hour each week, 1 day per week, for $2,000 for the half an hour. 1 day per week, $2,000 per month. So that's $2,000 for 4 classes. $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 for 4 classes in a month. Or you can have classes for 1 hour over the telephone. That would be $4,000. Or 2 hours over the telephone, 1 day per week, 1 class per week, and 1 month can cost you $2,000 if you have 2 classes, 2 hours for the class. So either half an hour, $2,000, 1 hour, $4,000, or 2 hours, eight or 2 hours, $8,000 for the month. So again, you can have classes over telephone either for half an hour per week, 1 day per week for $2,000. You can have class for 1 hour, 1 day per week, 1 day per week, 1 hour for each class, $4,000 for the month. Or you can have 2 hours per class, 1 day per week, $8,000 for the month. Or if you like, you can have someone come to you, the tutor. Tutor doesn't have to be me, because I have other tutors who are qualified, who are help, who know what they're doing. They can help you with your work. So the tutor will come to you anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island, different parishes. A tutor near you can come to you, a tutor that live in your area can come to you and give you face-to-face classes, 2 hours per week, 1 day per week, for $2,000 plus transportation. $2,000 plus transportation. $2,000 for 1 class, that is. $2,000 for 1 class. That's $8,000 per month. $8,000 per month plus transportation. Transportation may be about $2,000 more per month. $2,000 more per month, making it a total of $10,000 for the month. $10,000 for the month for someone to come to you and teach you for 2 hours each week, 1 day per week. 2 hours each class, 1 day per week. 2 hours each class, 1 day per week. So you can do that. Or you can watch the videos and then purchase my past papers. My past papers include GSAT past papers as well as the modern PEP past papers. PEP. So I have GSAT past papers as well as PEP past papers. And you know that PEP start from grade 4. So you have the grade 4 past papers for PEP, the grade 5 performance stocks past papers for PEP, and the grade 4 performance stocks for PEP. And you also have all the other subjects of grade 6, the ability test, the performance stocks, and the curriculum based test. Okay, so my set of past papers costs only $4,000. Only $4,000 for over 50 papers, over 50 papers. You can pay for it over the by online. You can pay for it online if you like, using the address the email address that I gave you earlier in this video. You can go back to the beginning of the video and you can see the bank account number and all the information for the bank. So you can do a money transfer and send the money via email anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. So you can do that. So if you want, you can have classes for 1 day per week. If you choose, you can have classes for 2 days per week for $20,000, including transportation. 2 days per week, 2 days per week, and for 1 month cost you $20,000, including transportation. So you can do that. Remember, you can let me know if you have improved in your grades at school, or if you have passed your PEP for a school that you wanted, or a good school, or if you pass your art aptitude test, or if you just improve in school, you can let me know. You can add it to you can write under the video, any one of the videos, this video or another video that I have, and of the different subjects, social studies, science, language arts, and communication tasks, as well as the maths. Any one of the videos you can write that you improved, and let me know or it did, which school you passed for. If you want, you can let me know which school you passed for, or anything you like to let me know. If you didn't in the past, you can let me know. Maybe if you didn't pass, maybe you didn't get enough time to study, right? Remember that these videos can be watched over and over. Repetition is good. Repetition is good. Okay, don't say that you know it already, so you don't need to do it again. Repetition is very good. Study these over and over, and you will improve and get a good grade. You get a good grade. Okay, so that's about it. So bye bye for now, and good luck in your grades. Bye bye. And I should make sure that you understand that the prices that I gave for the classes, both over the telephone and face to face in person, it's per month. The classes are per month. $2,000 per month for half an hour, 1 day per week. That's $2,000 per month, or $4,000 per month for 1 hour class, each class, 1 day per week, $4,000 per month, or for the telephone class, $8,000 per month for 2 hours per week, for 4 weeks, 1 month, for 4 weeks, 1 month. So it's $4,000 for one class per week for 2 hours each class. $4,000 per month. No, $8,000 per month. $8,000 per month. And you should give yourself enough time to do to have the classes so that you can improve or pass your exam. You must give yourself enough time. Do not do it and expect to do it in 1 month. You must give yourself more time than that. Give yourself even say about a year. When you go to school, they go to school for every day of the week for all year. So, right? You prepare for exam for all day and you're at school 5 days per week plus extra classes probably. And you're at school for like 6 or more hours per day. Right? So you give yourself enough time at school. So you should give yourself enough time. Here also where you were spending some decent money. You need to give yourself some time to pass the exam. Don't expect that school can let you pass the exam if you can, if no, I should say, if school went to school so long is not able to help you to pass the exam, and you're looking for extra help or extra classes, don't expect that the extra class is going to be need a lot less time than school. So give as much time as you can. As much time, if you could get the same amount of time as what you get at school, that would be good. But that's not possible because you have to have classes after. You have to have the classes after school or on weekends. So give yourself enough time, even about a year or more, to study, to do the classes or to watch the videos and to improve and pass. Improve in your exam, improve in your work and pass your exam. Okay. All right. Also, I should let you know that you will find the videos under the playlist. Look for the playlist section, and that's playlist. So look under the playlist section to find the videos. You have a set of a set of summary videos for language arts, a set of videos for communication tasks, a set of videos for science, a set of videos for social studies, and a set of videos for maths. All of them can be found under the playlist. So that's the maths playlist, maths summaries, also, right? Language arts summaries. So look under the playlist for them. And good luck again. Good luck.
Techno teachers must pass GSAT package, or Techno teachers must pass PEP package. Receive by email the day after you pay for them. Make payment into our bank account island-wide. GSAT or PEP read-along videos. Language arts, communication tasks, science, social studies, and mathematics, plus a set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers, 10 tests of each of the 5 GSAT subjects. The videos are no longer being offered for payment. You get the videos free on YouTube now, but you can still purchase the 50 past papers, which are also the 50 GSAT past papers. You can still purchase the 50 GSAT past papers, which are also suitable for PEP. Cost $4,000. For payment information, as well as samples of other videos and test papers with answers, go to my Facebook page at TechnoTeacherJA. That's TechnoTeacherJA. To receive a set of free samples by email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com and simply ask for it. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.